I want y'all to see this. Wait. See, you didn't even know you had ice cream in there. Y'all too busy making that eggnog pie. Look. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jameson, and this is how I cook. You probably have two things if you clicked on this video. You have a lot of eggnog, and you have a new Ninja CREAMi. So up next, I'm gonna show you what to do with that extra eggnog that you got hanging out in your refrigerator. Don't make that eggnog pie. Make eggnog ice cream with Biscoff crackers and caramel topping. Up next, in your new Ninja CREAMi, I'm gonna show you how to make ice cream from eggnog. So guys, before we get into this recipe, do me a favor, hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications. You know it helps my channel and I really appreciate your support this year. So let me show you guys this eggnog we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using Southern Comfort Eggnog. I'm a Southerner, y'all. I don't know if you know that. I don't just be saying y'all to just be saying y'all. I'm a Southerner and we love SoCo, where I'm from. So we're gonna use Southern Comfort Eggnog. What makes this work is that if you go and study ice cream recipes, high-end ice cream contains a lot of fat, contains a rich dairy, and it contains eggs. So this Southern Comfort Eggnog has all of those ingredients in it. So you may not have Southern Comfort Eggnog in your refrigerator, but your eggnog has all of the ingredients to make an amazing ice cream. And if you have a Ninja CREAMi, which I'm gonna show you next, it makes it super simple to make ice cream. So to make ice cream from your eggnog, you need to get your Ninja CREAMi canister, and I want you to fill it to your freeze fill line. That's the first step. Put it into your deep freezer or into your fridge freezer and let it freeze overnight for 24 hours. So we're gonna pour your eggnog right in here. And thanks to the magic of YouTube production, I've already got one in the freezer ready to show you guys the rest of the demonstration. But yeah, you wanna fill it up to right here. So here's our frozen container of Southern Comfort Eggnog. And we're just gonna put our creamy container in here. I'm just gonna close the lid up. And we're gonna insert, we lock it into place. So with your Ninja CREAMi, what's cool is this is all programmable. How you want your ice cream to be churned or how you want your beverage to be mixed. So with this, we select how much of the canister we wanna mix. So do we wanna just mix the top part of the canister? Do we wanna mix the full depth of the canister? Or do we wanna mix only the bottom of the canister? And so I want the full thing mixed. So I pick full. And then I go over here and I select on my dial, I select ice cream, and it lights up. And then the nice thing is, all I've got to do is hit the button. So now let me let you see what this ice cream looks like. Look at that, y'all. In 2 minutes, we got nice ice cream. So we could stop there, but I'm not gonna stop there. I'm gonna show you guys something else to do. Let's add in some Biscoff cookies. Beautiful. We could stop, but now we're gonna put in a little bit of this Ghirardelli premium caramel sauce. So we're gonna add this into our ice cream. Now we wanna close this back up. And put this back into our Ninja CREAMi. So now we've already made the ice cream, but now we wanna mix in our ice cream. So all we're gonna do, once again, is pick how deep we wanna mix. We've already got it set to ice cream, good. But now we're gonna use a new button. We're gonna use this mix-in button. And this mix-in button will allow us to break up our caramel and our cookies into our Biscoff Caramel Southern Comfort Eggnog ice cream. Time for the reveal. Look at that ice cream, y'all. That is Biscoff Caramel Southern Comfort Eggnog ice cream. Now, if you're gonna eat this ice cream in one sitting, it's fine the way it is. But if you're not gonna eat the ice cream in one sitting, then what you wanna do is add in a splash of Southern Comfort into your ice cream and respin it. And what it'll do, it'll prevent the ice cream from setting up super hard in the freezer so that it can become nice and scoopable. But for purposes of my video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like in a nice ice cream bowl. Beautiful ice cream. This is how I cook. Look at that, y'all. Put a scoop in there, put it there. Let's make another pretty scoop of ice cream here. Take a little bit more of our caramel sauce here and just drizzle over the top. And then our final thing we want to do is put in a Biscoff cookie as garnish. And guys, there you have it. That is our Biscoff ice cream made with Southern Comfort Eggnog, just in time for the holidays to wrap up. This is how I cook. Y'all, my wife's in the kitchen. She's telling me what she thinks about the ice cream. Babe, what you think about ice cream?
It's amazing.
It's amazing?
Yeah.
I don't believe you. I'm gonna taste it and see. Here's my Biscoff Southern Comfort Eggnog ice cream made, y'all, with that Ninja CREAMi. And all that eggnog I got left in the refrigerator from the holidays. Let me get this, let me taste. Let's see. See, I believe my wife, y'all, but first, I want y'all to see this. Wait. See, you didn't even know you had ice cream in there. Y'all too busy making that eggnog pie. Look. Guys, I ain't gonna even take you through all of that. You get the Southern Comfort flavor from the eggnog. You get all those beautiful spices. You get that Biscoff cookie in there, that caramel. Come on, y'all. Make this ice cream with that eggnog instead of the eggnog pie. Guys, hold on, one more bite, because I could be wrong. My wife could be wrong, and I could be wrong. Hold on. Guys, I'm Jameson, and this is how I cook. Do something with that leftover eggnog. Y'all have a happy holidays. I got to finish up this ice cream. Peace. Southern Comfort Eggnog Caramel Biscoff ice cream. Yeah, I done said it 4 different times because I don't have a recipe for this. I just made this up because that's just how good I am. This is how I cook.